If you want to set up hotspot on your iPhone 17, what you need to do is we need to go to settings, and you should be able to find personal hotspot over here below cellular or mobile services. Or if not, you can also go to cellular or mobile services in order to find personal hotspot over here in this place. Once we are in the settings of personal hotspot, you can easily enable or disable the hotspot by tapping on this switcher over here. You can also go to control center and you should be able to find personal hotspot button somewhere over here, which can also be used in order to toggle the hotspot. Besides that, here we have our Wi-Fi password, which you can customize in case you want to change it to something different. And you can also maximize compatibility. So if other devices cannot detect your hotspot, you might want to enable this option to make sure that older devices, for example, can actually use the hotspot that you created. Below over here we also have an instruction how to connect to our hotspot using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or by using USB cable, if you want to, for example, share the access to the internet on your computer. And that is essentially it. This is all you have to do in order to set up the hotspot. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.